Hi, I'm Dale with Midwest Equipment, and I am here to introduce our new line of Toro Siteworks equipment. We carry a full line of the Dingos, going from TX 700s up to TX 1300s. We also carry the Ultra Buggy with the swivel bucket. These are geared towards the commercial landscaper and construction business. There are a bunch of optional attachments, 4-in-1 buckets, trenchers, we have post hole diggers, pallet forks, standard buckets. They will all fit all the machines. And we also have this tracked Ultra Buggy with a swivel bucket, which is geared towards landscape jobs with rock, mulch, and also for the concrete guys to move around concrete on the job site. We also have rental and demo units in our fleet, so if it's something you need to use just once or twice, you can rent it from us. In our rental and demo, we will have the trencher, the auger, the 4-in-1 bucket, the pallet forks, and a standard bucket. Here at Midwest, we also do all the service and warranty work for these. We also have low rate financing.
Midwest Equipment. More power, more possibilities.